Hello guys, I'm Fazan and in this video we are going to look at this and kind of a hands-on review of this M3 My Device My Life compatible intelligent health bracelet. I bought it from Flipkart for around 370 rupees. I'll put the link in the description below. If you want to buy it, you can do it. So let's jump into the box and see what we get. So it came in that Flipkart box and I didn't even open it, so let's open this. Anything else? Okay, guide. Oh shit. Okay, so this guide is in I think Chinese and English, and this is the device. Let's turn this on. How to turn this on? Does it have charge or not? I'll be right back. Okay, so guys, as you can see, it came out like this, and we have to put this into the adapter, and I think it doesn't have any charge, so let me charge it first and I'll be right back. Okay, so it's charged now. Let's turn it on. As you can see, so we can count steps, BPM, blood pressure, I don't know what it is, motions, and something more. Well, according to this box, it can do lots of things: heart rate, blood pressure, step, incoming call, Facebook, mileage, and lots of things. So in my opinion, this is a good product, value for money, you can call it. It's a value for money product. So if you want to buy this, the link is in down description below, and maybe I'll put a review of this if I think it's worth it. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys like it. If you like, click that red subscribe button and share this video with your friends, and I'll see you in next video. Bye bye.